What amount of cooking oil is considered healthy? Cooking oil is a staple ingredient in many kitchens, used to sauté, fry, and flavor dishes. While oil adds taste and texture to food, it's important to use it in moderation for optimal health. In this video, we'll look at how much cooking oil is considered healthy and how to find the right balance in your diet. How much cooking oil is healthy? Finding the right balance. 1. Understanding healthy fats. Not all fats are equal. Some fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, are considered healthy and essential for our bodies. These fats are found in foods like olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds. On the other hand, saturated and trans fats, found in fried foods and processed snacks, can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. 2. Recommended daily intake. While fats are an important part of a balanced diet, it's essential to consume them in moderation. The American Heart Association recommends that adults aim to get 20 to 35% of their daily calories from fat, with the majority coming from healthy sources like olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. However, individual needs may vary based on factors such as age, gender, activity level, and overall health. 3. Portion control. When it comes to cooking oil, portion control is key. It's easy to pour more oil than necessary, which can add excess calories and fat to your meals. A general guideline is to use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil per serving when sautéing or frying food. You can also use non-stick cooking spray or broth as an alternative to reduce the amount of oil needed. 4. Choosing healthy cooking oils. The type of cooking oil you use also matters for your health. Opt for oils high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, such as olive oil, avocado oil, and canola oil. These oils are rich in antioxidants and have been linked to various health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced inflammation. 5. Avoiding overheating. Heating oil beyond its smoke point can cause it to break down and produce harmful compounds. Different oils have different smoke points, so it's important to choose the right oil for the cooking method. For high-heat cooking methods like frying, opt for oils with high smoke points such as peanut oil or avocado oil. For low-heat cooking methods like sautéing, olive oil or coconut oil can be suitable options. 6. Incorporating other cooking methods. While cooking oil is a common ingredient, it's not the only way to add flavor and moisture to your food. Experiment with other cooking methods such as steaming, baking, grilling, or using herbs and spices to enhance the taste of your dishes without relying solely on oil. Cooking oil can be part of a healthy diet when used in moderation and chosen wisely. Aim to include a variety of healthy fats in your diet from sources like olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, while limiting saturated and trans fats. Practice portion control when using cooking oil, and be mindful of the cooking method and oil's smoke point. By finding the right balance, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals while supporting your overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more informative content on health, nutrition, and cooking tips. Stay updated with the latest advice to help you lead a healthier lifestyle.